you're running Facebook ads without a pixel installed on your website, you are flying completely blind. You have no idea who visited your site. You can't retarget anyone. You can't optimize for purchases. And you're paying a full price for the least effective version of Facebook advertising. This video fixes that in under 10 minutes. I'm going to show you how to set up the Facebook pixel on a Nigerian website. So whether you are on WordPress, Wix, Shopify, or a custom coded site, I'm going to show you step by step. Now, what exactly is pixel and why do you need it? You see, the Facebook pixel is a small piece of code that you put on your website. Once it's there, every time someone visits your website, clicks a button, adds something to their cart, or completes a purchase, Facebook records it. You see, that data does three things for you. First, it lets you retarget. You can show ads specifically to people who visited your website but didn't buy. This is your warmest audience and your highest converting traffic. Number two is that it lets you optimize. So instead of just paying for clicks, you can tell Facebook to find people who are likely to actually complete a purchase or submit a lead form. You see, the algorithm uses your pixel data to find more people like your best customers. Number three is that it builds lookalike audiences. You see, once you have 100 to 1,000 pixel events, Facebook can build an audience of people who behave similarly to your existing customers. And this is one of the most powerful targeting tools in Meta ads. So you see, without the pixel, you get none of this. You're just paying for impression and you're hoping. Now, let's talk about creating the pixels. So what you want to do is to go to your Meta Business Manager. In the left menu, you're going to click Event Manager. Then click Connect Data Sources. Select Web and then select Facebook pixel. Make sure to name your pixel. I recommend using your business name. Then you click on Create. Now you have a pixel. It has a unique ID, a very long number. Now copy this and save it somewhere because you're going to need it. Then you click Continue to choose how to install the pixel. Now, let's look at how to install pixels based on your website type. There are three ways to install the pixel code, and the method you use will depend on the type of website platform that you have. Now, let's start with WordPress. This is the fastest method, right? Now, the fastest method is through a plugin. Basically, just install the official Facebook pixel plugin. You can search for it in your WordPress plugin directory, activate it, enter your pixel ID, that long number I told you to copy, save, and then done. The pixel is now on every page of your site. If you prefer to add it manually, go to Events Manager, click your pixel and click Setup, and then click Manually Add Pixel Code. Copy the code. In WordPress, go to Appearance, then go to your theme editor, then look for header.php. Paste the code above the closing head tag, and that's it. Now, if you're using a Wix website, go to your Wix dashboard, click Settings, click Advanced Settings, and then click External Tools. You'll find the Facebook pixel section. Just enter your pixel ID, save it, and you're done. Now, if you're using Shopify, go to the online store, then go to Preferences. Then you will find the Facebook pixel section. Just enter your pixel ID, save it, and then Shopify will automatically fire the pixels on all your pages, including the order confirmation page. So your purchase events are tracked automatically. Now, if you're using a custom coded website, you will need to paste the pixel code manually in the head section of every page. So go to Events Manager, get the full pixel code, and then add it to your site's HTML head tag. If you have a developer, you can send this code to them and they can add it to the global header for you. Now, how do you verify that your pixel is working? Once you've installed your pixel, you need to verify that it is working. What you need to do is to install the Meta Pixel Helper Chrome extension. You can search for it in the Chrome Web Store. It's free. So what you do is just visit your website with the extension active, click the extension icon in your browser toolbar. If your pixel is installed correctly, you will see a green check mark with your pixel ID there. So go back to Event Manager in your Business Manager, and that's it. You should see the activity appearing under your pixels within about 20 to 30 minutes of installation. If you see no activity after an hour, go through the entire installation steps again. Maybe you've wrongly pasted the code. Now, what do you need to do after installing the pixel? Here is what you can do with it. Give it about 7 days of regular website traffic before you start using it for retargeting. Because the more data it collects, the smarter it gets. So set up standard events like purchase, lead, view content, add to cart, so that Meta knows what actions on your site matter most. These are set up in Event Manager under the Setup tab. And once you have at least 100 visitors tracked, Go to audiences in Ads Manager and create a website custom audience. Everyone who visited your site in the last 30 days. This is your first retargeting audience, and you can go ahead and use it. Finally, pixel installed. Your pixel is verified. Your events are set up. Your first retargeting audience is created. That is everything you need to move from basic Facebook ads to data-driven Facebook ads. If you want to learn how to build full campaign systems around your pixel data, retargeting, lookalike audiences, conversions, campaigns, that is inside my Meta Ads Playbook course, and the link is in the description. Make sure to subscribe for 2 videos every week like this. Drop a comment with your website platform, and I'll confirm the best installation method for your setup. I'll see you in the next video.